today. We're talking how to be one of the best linebackers in the game. Some thoughts on that, you guys?
You know, first and foremost, you got to believe you're the best, you know. If you don't believe you're the best, if you don't believe you can be great, you won't be. So you got to have that belief first that you're going to be great. Second, you got to put in the work to be great. And then third, you got to be a student of the game.
It's the most dynamic position on the field, right?
Oh, yeah. Definitely. Thank goodness somebody agrees.
Yeah,
We don't just go backwards, we don't just go forward.
Yeah,
Joe doesn't agree.
You hear that, Joe?
Joe just goes backwards.
You know?
Backwards pass it,
Yeah.
pull
You guys
him
gotta
in
be
there.
lateral, right?
We run block too.
Pull him there.
No, we block the best athletes on the field.
I know.
Us.
Okay, you're no joke either. You're no joke either.
Yeah, we're not saying the O-line is not a hard position. The quarterback of the defense, pretty much the heart and soul of the defense, and you know, we tone setters.
Interesting. What about attitude? Do you guys have like a little attitude out there on the field?
You got to.
Yeah,
I mean,
you got to.
I'm all, you know, smiles and giggles, you know, want to laugh, you know, after the whistle, but you know, in between, you know, those little 6-7 seconds, you know, you're gonna get a real angry man.
You know, when the play is over, you got to be the equalizer, you know. When guys are anxious, when guys are, you know, scattered and all over the place, you got to be that guy to calm everybody down. But when everybody's kind of flat, you got to be that guy to get everybody up. So you got to be that equalizer to kind of feel what the vibe is on your defense and what your defense needs. And, you know, everybody thinks that when we say family, you know, we are family. Everybody thinks that, you know, it's a word that we just toss around, but it's literally, we're family. You know, it's like how I know my siblings. I know what makes them mad. I know what makes them happy. You know, I know what makes him mad. I know what makes him happy. I know what makes him go. So
Family away from
everybody.
family.
So.
And you guys want to win for the guys on your team,
Of
right?
course.
Just as much as for yourself.
When you want to make the play because you know that the other guys depend on you making that play, and you need just making it for yourself. That's when you take your defense to the next
you know,
level.
don't have to be making a play. Like, you know, God know if I'm, you know, hammering a block back to Manti, like I know he's gonna be there to make a play, and the same thing, vice versa.
Yeah.
It's a lot of excitement. A lot of excitement.
That's amazing. All right, guys, that was your quick hit with Manti Te'o and Denzel Perryman. Thanks so much, guys, and
problem.
have a wonderful
All right.
season.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate it.